Hey you guys, just wanted to do another moto vlog. Well, it's gonna be kind of different. It's gonna be kind of different because I don't have a mic, and we're just gonna go exploring today. I haven't uploaded in a while. I did upload this night thing, but then right now we're going exploring. So, like, I had this night one all planned out, and guess what? I forgot to put in the SD card. So yeah. Now I'm just gonna go exploring. We did some sweet mudding, and obviously with a dirt bike, how that went. What? I know there's a boat. What? There's a boat?
There's a freaking boat.
Why is there a freaking boat? What the fuck? Why is there a boat? I put in this 93 octane stuff, and it's making my engine sound really nice.
Be careful with snake.
Dang.
What? This used to be a trail.
Oh yeah, it was.
I don't think it goes far though. There's glass right there.
There's glass right here. Whatever that was.
I don't think this goes far.
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Yeah, the lake or the canal.
Tried to do a face mount. That didn't work out. Oh, it smells like skunk.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, no, I don't think this is a trail lick.
They should make a thing called, oh yeah, someone must have went down this.
Yeah.
And probably died. See. Yep, probably died.
You gonna tell them about the adventures that we had?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we went mudding and stuff. Mudding with a dirt bike. It was terrible. You got all, all that. I got a little bit, but not much because, well, put it this way, I was trying to go mudding with a dirt bike. You know how that probably went terribly. Andrew fell over, about gave me a heart attack. I thought it was a snake.
I thought it was a snake.
Yeah, me too. There's a whole bunch of like concrete or stuff in here.
Ow!
What?
Why did I do that?
Why would you do it?
Oh.
He almost broke his arm earlier. I thought he did. Scared the crap out of me.
You know what?
There's a bug on that. Dude, we should smash this. We should do like whatever we want to this.
That's not breaking. What is this?
Dude, we should like slam it until it breaks.
It's like unbreakable glass.
Slam it until it breaks. Let me try. What do you think was gonna happen? I don't know how long this thing has been here. Oh! I broke it a little bit.
Oh my god, dude. Is that plastic?
Let's see what's in here. I don't know what's in here. Okay, that just hit the side of the boat. But sir, it's violating pilot property.
There's ain't no one's property.
Oh crap.
Hey, you done played yourself.
Hey, shut up. That's what I say. Help me out, Andrew. Andrew, help me out. Andrew, help me rip this off.
Okay.
Ah, what is in this thing? Please don't be a huge snake that's just gonna jump out of me. I don't know why I'm looking through here. Sir, I will ride yours.
didn't start.
Ah, son. Dude, can I actually ride yours though? Like, can I ride yours, please? You ride mine, I ride yours. Come on, please. Come on, Andrew, please. Come on, dude, please. Can you let me? Please, dude, come on.
Until we get to the field.
What do you mean? I don't want to go to the field. I want to do it now.
No, we'll go to the field.
Come on.
We'll go to the field and then you can ride it.
Come on.
It's okay, little boy. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Come on. No, stop messing up my gears.
There, now it's in neutral. It was in neutral, dude. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Oh my gosh, now I gotta put this thing down because I'm super hot and it's all clogged up.